Hello and welcome back to How to Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to add the face unlock onto your REALME 11 Pro Plus. Let's begin! So, currently we have two ways to unlock our phone. The very first one is to simply, use our normal screen lock, and the other is to use our fingerprint sensor. And now let's spice things up with a face unlock as well. First of all, you want to head into settings, and that's actually a little bit of a spoiler, but basically you want to head into settings, then scroll down and enter security and privacy. In here, you want to scroll down once again and go into device unlock. Then, right under screen lock, we want to head into fingerprint and face unlock. And finally, let's hit face. We have to agree with statement of use. This basically tells us that, well, actually we'll have to use your camera, which is of course to be explained. So, it's self-explanatory why they need to use our camera. Let's hit agree. Now we have to input our current lock screen pattern to confirm our identity. And finally, we can enroll our face. Now there are a couple of things I want to mention first, and some of them are actually right here. Which this prompt basically reads that for optimal results, keep your face within the frame and avoid excessively bright or dim lighting conditions. This is very important. If you will have any troubles with your face unlock whatsoever, it's probably because of the poor face enrolling. And this is because if you have way too bright light during your enroll, then you will have trouble actually using your face unlock in low light conditions, and vice versa. The same thing is going to happen if you're going to enroll it with too poor light conditions, and then you want to unlock your phone using your face in bright sunlight or whatever. So let's hit with add now, and now I will put my phone here, and I will register my face. Of course, I can see I failed to do that in time. I will now prepare myself, and I can go with a try. So now we want to keep our face within frame, and wow, that was really smooth. That was actually way too smooth than anticipated. I actually also wanted to mention that you want to avoid having too much hair in your face or glasses. Oh wait, well, glasses are okay, but you don't want to be wearing a lot of makeup, a lot of different face accessories. You want to have your face as clean as possible. So then when you have your, for example, glasses, your hats, masks or whatever, the phone won't have any kind of trouble actually enabling and unlocking your phone with the face unlock. However, here are still a couple of things we can change to improve it. The very first one is probably brighten screen dim light. It's very self-explanatory. If we are in a very low light condition space, then we can brighten it up to the likelihood of our face unlock working. You can also enter home screen after unlocking, though note that this can be pretty annoying, especially if you have something important in your lock screen, because then you will be automatically transported into the home screen and you won't have to do the swipe. And that's basically that's it for this tutorial, really. Now we can just head into our lock screen, we can pick our phone, enable it. As you can see, the lock icon is now unlocked, meaning that we can just swipe up and you're good to go. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.